It's the day for the race car to go. Bye bye, race car. Yep, time for it to go. Didn't get used. It's not going to get used. I want it to go to another home. Someone want to use it in the next year or so. And so hopefully it's gone to a good home. Guy seems pretty enthusiastic. Hasn't even seen it, but he's paid for it. Hopefully all the videos explained how it was built and what it is. So hopefully it won't be too many surprises. We're all never happy with everything that we buy, are we? And we would have done things differently. I know he wants to put the radiator in the back and do all the zips and bobs, but yeah, he can go for it, can't he? So yeah, just waiting for the transporter to turn up, and then we'll get the old pickup turned around, get it into a bit more space. Maybe have a quick tidy up before the end of the day. Yeah, bye bye. End of a chapter, start of another one. My kid's off to university in a couple of weeks. I don't know which I'm sadder about. Okie dokie, look, floor space. Pete will moan that I'm only renting half the unit and using 3/4 of it, but hey ho. So I bet the lighting, and there's a guy changing a massive truck tire outside as well. So yes, race car's gone. Let's move on. Let's not depress about life. We got the pickup. So yeah, we've got a bit more space. Got finished clearing up. We've got loads of mess around here. Plan is we've got some floor paint on order. So we clear the crap up to the sides. We get some floor paint down. Might try and get some white paint. Touch up the walls again. If we can afford it, we'll put some strip lights in. And then yeah, so we can start working on the pickup over here. If not, as I said, the plan is to maybe well swap with the Mark 1 at some point. Yeah, cool. So I've got some bits arriving for this and some bits on order for the future. Again, if you want to keep up to date a bit sooner than everybody else, keep an eye on the old Patreon page. But yeah, we've got a lot to do. Nice little hole there. I'm thinking we might be able to. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I'm thinking we may. What I might do is get the shot blaster down. I've talked to you about this before. I may get away with just taking the corner sections out of a normal roof, just for now. Again, doing a roof can be a quite easy job. Okay, it's a bit messy if you've got a nice painted car, but it's not the end of the world either. It's not like you know, all you got to do is mask everything up and just cut the roof off. So we can do that at a later stage. Because yeah, it might be nice to get some strength back in some of those bits. So yeah, I need to order up a new scuttle panel, top dash rail, bottom dash rail, before we can strengthen up the front. Hardly anything left of the inner wings. I was thinking the other day about I'm going to buy all new Heritage ones, but now I'm thinking of going the Vauxhall route. I'm thinking it's mostly just as easy to maybe just get, if I can get them, inner wing repair panels, pattern panels, because with a Vauxhall conversion and stuff you can do away with not even having any inner wings. Or you can make them anyway, they don't have to be standard. Because my idea is, it's got no front end to it, so let's put a Vauxhall lump in it. Worst thing all I'm going to do is modify a fuel tank to make it fuel injected. Pretty much everything else is going to be standard behind that. And so in the future, 10, 15, 20 years, 1 year time, somebody wants to make it a proper pickup, yeah, just take the Vauxhall lump off and fit a front end to it, you know, put new inner wings on. That's all you've got to do. Gonna hopefully, looking around, you can, a lot of people, the guys, I never done them, but I've seen a lot of them do now. The Vauxhall setups use cable gear linkage, so all I've requires is one little hole through the bulkhead for the cables to run, and that'll be it. So yeah, you can see it's got a bottom bulkhead panel. Oh, more noise. Yep, while we're still got space and we're thinking out loud, and that's what we're doing today. Here's the floor bed. Oh, truck's still starting up. Anyway, 550 quid plus that. I don't think I've got any other choice apart from making something, but it's never going to be as good. Wheel arches, thinking 2 options, just replace them, cut them out, or try and repair them. 3 options actually. Repair what we've got, cut them out, get some new ones, or maybe make with what use is there and tub them. So tubbing is basically where you can see this wheel arches goes back down again. You basically come straight out, so you can fit slightly bigger alloys, a bit more clearance, run a bit lower if you need to. The only reason I say that is obviously, oh, it's a pickup, you can't modify it. If you look at these, I call them rear quarters anyway, they're knackered. So again, I can repair them. You can get whole new rear quarters. But again, you know, how much you want to spend? I'm just trying to save a pickup here. So another option is to actually, yeah, let's tub them, get rid of that lot, and do 2 things at once. You know, and again, if anybody was going to put it back to normal, and if you were going to do a real professional restoration job, well, you'd replace the whole rear quarter anyway. So whatever I do gets redone anyway. So I don't think I'm messing with anything if I do with that. This side's actually not too bad as well. Starting to go rust down there, but again, yeah, might be an option. Anyway, yeah, we got a bit more space. That wasn't me. And yeah, and a couple of sets of mini 25 seats, which I picked up along the way, which are really cool because look, they've got like a little zip pocket at the front. So I think they will be going in the pickup to start with. No reason why not. Anyway, floor paint will be here at some point. We'll clean that up, hoover up, paint. Look at this, all this floor space makes it so much easier. Pete Mate can get to his stuff now. That's the subframe that came out of it, but we have got another subframe on order from Allspeed for the Vauxhall setup, so we are definitely going to go that way. Got no other choice, I've decided. And yeah, all good. So give me your ideas, feedback. I know it's sad to see the old race car go, but hopefully somebody will use it and it'll crop up on YouTube at some point. And you and me, we can always build another one, can't we, at some point? So anyway, that'll do for now. See you tomorrow. We've got to finish off tidying up the garage and dust sheeting everything because we've got a sandblaster coming.